In this video, I want to show you how I go about creating interview assignments for roles that I'm looking to hire for. As my clients need team members and also as I'm growing and need more team members in my company, then it's really important that the people that I onboard are the right people that are going to help me scale my business. Because onboarding team members can really be time consuming, so I don't want to waste time onboarding the right person. The interview assignment helps me exactly with that, and this is what I'm going to talk about on this video. Now, the first thing you're going to see on the interview assignment is the structure of it. Over here, you can see for this position, how many assignments there are and how much time should be allocated for this assignment. And then you also give instructions to the applicants on how they can submit their interview assignment. The first assignment is the following. Give them a situation. I tell them how things are and what the reality looks like. And then I also give them the details. And then from there, I am asking them questions based on that. This is not a matter of like right and wrong. This is not about having them do some maths or whatever. It's about what they think is right about the situation and how they would go about the situation themselves if they were to take over this specific role. Now, I'm also giving them instructions on how to respond, as well as giving them a space where they can add their answer. Now, let's answer the obvious question. What if someone takes this and puts it on ChatGPT? You need to understand here, this is the reason why I'm asking for a Loom video. I want to see how confident is this person when they're answering the questions, and also how much they go in depth about the specific situation. And here's also the thing, using ChatGPT is not wrong. It is actually highly encouraged. But you need to have a person who can solve problems, whether it is on their own or with ChatGPT, and get this to the finish line. That's why the assignment that you're going to give needs to be something that is really specific, that only a person who has experience in this field knows how to answer it. And then anyone else could answer it, but not to that extent. Now, how do you go about creating these interview assignments? You need to think for yourself, what problem did I solve recently, or a person that I used to work with used to solve and solved recently, that I want the new person that is going to come in to solve on my behalf without my input? It is pretty simple. And this is what I did for this specific role. I wanted to create a paid time off system, and I want this new hire to poke holes, give feedback, and also make it even better. So then I gave them the structure and the logic behind it. And then I told them, hey, what about this and what about that? Now, you could also make it so that you don't even give them feedback. You tell them, hey, I want you to give me a paid time off system that allows us to have fairness within the company and make sure that the team is motivated to work, but also takes time off when it's needed, right? A fair system. And that can be done with ChatGPT for sure, but you'll be also able to tell when it was done with ChatGPT. And that's why you also create a second assignment. This second assignment is going to give you even more input on this person and the depth of their understanding for this specific role. So you want to give them a situation, the questions, the instructions, and then you let them perform. You want to see how they're going to tackle this problem and how do they bring things to the finish line. From there, you'll be able to see who is actually good for this role and who is not. So creating this interview assignment has allowed me to make the best hires within my company, and I highly recommend that you do the same for your business. So after you receive the interview assignments, you go and you compare each individual, how they responded, and then you get the one that has responded in the best way possible. You need to go for depth and not just is it right or wrong, because a lot of people can get the answers right. But the question is, what is their depth of understanding? And make sure that these assignments are testing the qualities, traits, and skills that this person should have for the specific role. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got more clarity on how to create interview assignments. The process is really simple. They get this doc, they duplicate it, they put their answers, and then you review it from there. Or you can use a form, for example, where they can just submit the form with their answers, and then from there you have something more systemized. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can make more requests on the comments below on what videos you would like to see on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.